Influencer marketing compared to like traditional ad space, I think of it in terms of your friend recommending something to you and the weight of that compared to just seeing an ad on Facebook or a billboard, right? You're going to take their recommendation really to heart. It's that authenticity that TikTok is so great at. And it's also, yeah, you feel like you know these people, right? And if you try a product that they liked and you liked it as well, okay, all of a sudden, whatever they recommend, you're going to go with, right? And I think that really is the future. And with all of the privacy laws that are coming out, there's a lot of blockers that are happening for marketers right now to where they're going to have to go down the influencer marketing route to really make things happen. It's just going to evolve more and more and more. And I think we're all going to get better at it with, some cool creative ways to implement products into just entertaining content.